everyone, Amanda here from Create with Scrimping Mummy, surrounded by absolutely heaps and heaps of journals that I've created. I'm just going to apologise in the first instance if you do see my hands in this video. They are a mess. I'm in the middle of decorating and my manicure leaves something to be desired. So we make all of these journals. What on earth are we meant to do with them? You know, I see people saying, well, I make these journals and I collect ephemera and I buy stickers and I buy stamps. And what do we do with them? Nobody wants them as a gift. I'm not really capable of selling them, or I don't have the opportunity or the outlet to sell them. What do we do with them? Well, let me tell you. First of all, I'm going to tell you the regular ideas of what we do with journals. And then I'm going to tell you the real reason for journals and what we do with them. Okay, so I have heaps of journals. I encourage people every month to make their journals. You know, and we do different styles. I've got all sorts of journals. Okay, I've got journals in boxes, I've got hardcover journals, I've got eclectic journals, I've got themed journals, I've got journals coming out of my ears. They just sat on the shelf looking pretty. So what can I do with them? Here are the most frequent things that you will hear on the internet of what to do with your journals. You can write in them, you can keep memories in them, you can gift them. If you're able, you can sell them, craft shows, markets. Australians, I think they call them markets. You know, you can go on Facebook, there's various groups. You can set up a YouTube channel and share what you do and get followers and sell them that way. You can use them yourself for your memories, for a gratitude journal. You can write your prayer notes in them. You know, if you're going through the Bible and you're doing a prayer journal, you can just doodle in them. You can do your art in them. You can put photos in them of your family or anything. Maybe you like walking and taking photos of plants. You could use one of these to document that. You can do anything with a journal. Absolutely anything. So what if none of these things appeal to you and you're one of those people that feels really deflated? Well, why am I making these journals? What is the purpose? I can't gift them. I can't sell them. I don't really journal. So let me ask you this, okay? Whilst you sat there looking at your shelf, why are you feeling deflated? That shelf is full of your art. We make journals primarily because we love doing it. If we didn't love doing it, we wouldn't be doing it. So we must not, I'm slamming my hand on the desk, feel guilty for collecting and purchasing, so long as it's within our means and we're not getting into debt, on our hobby. This is your hobby. Okay, some people will make sculptures or collect stones or garden, or, you know, they might collect things around the home, like things to do with Alice in Wonderland, or they might have a plate collection or a statue of angels collection, or they might collect cats. Everybody has something that they love, and it's your hobby and it's your passion. So do you have to actually do anything with them? No. You can just enjoy the process of making them. Sit them on your shelf, you can flick back through them, and you can look proudly at your collection of work. You do not have to feel deflated and like your time has been wasted because other people aren't getting the joy out of your artwork. You've gotten the joy out of it by creating it in the first place. Creativity is a fantastic outlet for, it's good for your mental health. It's just good for your well-being, especially, you know, as we get older, maybe our lives are slowing down. Maybe we don't have children to look after anymore. Maybe some people might be retired. What would you be doing with that time? You'd be just sat twiddling your thumbs Okay, and it is actually medically proven that if you keep your brain active and you keep doing that, you will live longer. So making journals is helping you live longer. It really, really saddens me when I see people, you know, and I saw a lady today on Facebook and she sounded really deflated. Well, what am I supposed to do with them? Enjoy them. Enjoy the process. It's what you do. You have a creative mind. You don't have to actually do anything with them. Okay? These are weeks and weeks of your creative expression. It's art, just like painting a picture or, you know, doing a quilt that takes lots of time. It's an expression of your creative mind. So do not feel deflated if you're thinking, well, you know, I saw a video yesterday saying how to price your junk journals. And, you know, the information was interesting, but don't feel like if you are not selling your journals that, you know, there's no point making them. There absolutely is a point in making them. It's all about art. When you look at lots of the YouTube creators, let me think of one at the top of my head. Who's popular? Margaret Miller, okay? She does lovely journals. Do you think she's worried that they're sat on a shelf and that she's not writing in them? No, she picks them up, she puts them down. She'll look through them and she might add things to them. You know, think, oh, I've got this piece. I know it would go in that journal. And they're an ongoing work of art. Do not feel deflated, okay? Because what you're doing has a purpose. It is your hobby. That is its purpose. That is the primary purpose of journal making, is to enjoy your hobby, your time to yourself, and getting your ideas out of your head and your creativity into a project. It doesn't have to go any further than that. You can just enjoy it. So do not compare yourself to what other people are doing. You know, they might be, oh, I've sold this journal for $200. Fantastic. That's brilliant if that is what you want out of making journals. Me personally, I'm loving them, collecting on my shelf and looking at them and thinking, I've made that. I'm feeling really accomplished. You know, it's lovely when I can sell journals, but then they're gone. And I look back at some of my journals that I've sold to people and I think, I wish I'd kept that. All that work, you know, and I look back on some of my videos and I think, I wish I'd just kept them. Because all you can do with money is spend it. And, you know, when you've got your art looking at you from your shelves, you look at it and you feel accomplished and you feel proud. Okay? So that is what the purpose of journals are. So enjoy the process. Enjoy your creativity. Never compare yourself to other people. And remember, a hobby doesn't have to have a specific function. It is something that keeps your mind active and keeps your creativity flowing. So just enjoy it. Enjoy the process. And never, ever, ever feel guilty for spending time on yourself and small amounts of money on your hobby. You've allowed it. You've earned it. Okay? Everybody's entitled to it, so don't feel guilty. I just thought I'd share those pearls of wisdom with you. Thanks for watching. Take care and remember to enjoy your creativity. Bye for now.